In order to start the online enrollment, you should open the university website and select English. You should choose Online Services, and then in the section Future Students, you should select Online Enrollment. At this point, you should enter the credentials, so the username, which is the fiscal code automatically generated during your registration to the university online services, and the password, which is the one you chose at the end of the registration process. You select Accedi. Then at the top right, you can choose English and then Enrollment. You can start the enrollment by clicking on Immatricolazione. Here you have to choose Standard Enrollment and click on Next. If you are going to enroll in a bachelor's degree program, you have to choose Degree Course. If you are going to enroll in a 2-year master's degree program, you have to select Specialistic Degree Course. If you are going to enroll in a single cycle program, you have to select Specialistic Degree Course. You choose your intended degree program. Confirm. Here you have to select No, since for students with incomes and assets abroad, the ISEE value is calculated by DSU Toscana. If you are a non-EU citizen, you are required to enter the information on your Italian residence permit and upload the relevant documents. If you already have the student residence permit, select Tempo Determinato. If you have just applied for the Italian residence permit, you should select Presentata domanda. As per the date of issue, if you already have the permit, enter the issue date. Otherwise, enter the date which is on your residence permit application receipt. As per the deadline, enter the expiry date which is on the residence permit if you already have it. Otherwise, enter the expiry date of your student visa. Here you should select Study, so leave Study. Confirm. Here you have to upload documents referring to your residence permit. If you already have the residence permit, you have to upload a copy of it. If you have just applied for the Italian residence permit, you have to upload a copy of the application receipt, the brownish one, bearing on the top the password and user ID. In this section, you have to enter the information about your passport. you have to click on Insert Attachment to upload a copy of your passport, and once you have uploaded it, click again on Insert Attachment to upload a copy of your student entry visa. This section is only for those students who have official and valid disability DSA documents. If you do not have any disability or DSA documents, skip it by clicking on Next. Here you should attach a photo. In this section, you have to enter the information about your high school diploma if you are going to enroll in a bachelor or single cycle degree program. Click on Insert. If you are going to enroll in a master's degree program, you should also add information about your bachelor's degree. You will find a section where you can enter the information about your bachelor's degree. Here you should select Standard Enrollment, and if it is the first time you enroll in an Italian university, select 2024-25. Then enter the date of your current application and select University of Florence. If you have already been enrolled in an Italian university, you have to enter the information referring to your previous enrollment. It should be the first one in the Italian higher education system. Here you should select full-time, the full-time option, and select Next. Click on Next. If you are enrolling in a bachelor's or single cycle degree program, you have to upload a copy of your high school diploma, legalized or apostille, along with the Dichiarazione di Valore in Loco, issued by the Italian Embassy or Consulate in the country where the qualification was awarded. If you are enrolling in a master's degree program, a copy of your bachelor's degree, legalized or apostilled, along with Dichiarazione di Valore in Loco, issued by the Italian Embassy or Consulate in the country where the qualification was awarded, is needed. If you are enrolling in a master's degree program, you also have to upload a copy of your transcript of records, legalized or apostilled. In alternative to the declaration of value, you can upload the CIMEA certificates of comparability and verification. Depending on whether you are enrolling in a degree program taught in Italian or English, you have to attach an Italian or English language proficiency certificate. Documents which are not issued in French, English, or Spanish also need a translation into Italian. Please attach PDF files only. If you have applied for DSU Toscana Scholarship, click on Enter or Modify Exemption Requests to request the relevant tuition fee waiver. Click on Check Payments to go to the payment section, pay the fees, and complete the online enrollment process. Click on the invoice number to see the different payment options. You can pay the fees online via the PagoPA gateway by clicking on Pay with PagoPA, or you can print out the payment notice by clicking on Print Payment Notice for PagoPA and pay the bill with one of the payment options reported on the notice itself. The student ID number is not generated automatically at the end of the online enrollment procedure. Upon completing the online enrollment, please send an email to internationaldesk@unifi.it, specifying in the subject line of the email "Enrollment completed," your family name and name. We will verify the information you have entered and the documents you have uploaded. If this verification is positive, we will generate your student ID number and send it to you. The above-mentioned verification may take a few days from the moment we receive your email.